If you're looking to build a wood bench for your home or business, the type of wood you choose is important. Ipe benches excel in most climates, from the hot Arizona desert to cold and snowy Buffalo, New York, as well as hot and humid areas like Florida. They are strong and resistant to rot, mold, and decay, and they won't splinter like other common woods. Ipe is a wonderful, dark-colored wood that is elegant but strong, and won't be intolerable to sit or touch, even under the sun. Outdoor benches are most commonly made with pressure-treated pine or cedar. The problem with these species is they are softwoods that generally require annual maintenance and an application of a water sealer. These softwoods also have an open and somewhat porous grain structure, which tends to absorb water almost like a sponge. Stripping the stain off an old bench like this one can be a lot of work getting in between all the bench slats. These benches often get neglected and have paint or stain peeling off of the majority of the bench. The good news is there are more options available. The top species of wood that we recommend for wood benches are Ipe, Kumaru, Tigerwood, Garapa, and Masaranduba. These woods are low maintenance and incredibly beautiful. The only maintenance that's needed on these benches is an annual cleaning and a coat of Ipe oil. If you choose not to keep the colors, the wood will mature to a beautiful silver patina. This fading of color does not interfere with the structural integrity of the boards either. The Coney Island Boardwalk is a testament to Ipe's 75-year lifespan. So you can sit back and relax on your new bench knowing you made the right choice with these woods. To learn more about our hardwood for benches and get current pricing, visit AdvantageLumber.com.